Hi friends, welcome to Synchronicity 1123. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel friends. Press the bell symbol to know more notifications from the new videos, from my new videos. Don't forget to comment if any reading is resonated. If at all it is not resonated, please check my other readings also. Please note that these readings are general. They may or may not resonate to everyone. So I request you all to let me know what type of reading you want next. Okay. If you want personal reading, please check the description box given below for more details. Okay, let's start today's reading. So today's reading is requested by Miss Rajni, one of the viewer. So she asked me to do the reading for Am I on his mind? Okay, so am I on his or her mind? Is he or she missing me? This is today's reading. And also end of the reading we will do the messages. We will take out the messages from your person also. We will see. Okay. So let's start the reading. Before starting, I want to show you the piles which I have. First one is the red doll. Second one is the white doll. And the third one is the red Indian doll. Okay, any one of the pile you can choose intuitively, whichever the pile you are drawn to. Meditate on the piles, whichever you want to choose. Okay, then if you want more time, then you can pause the video and select the pile also. So let's start with the pile number 1 reading. The beautiful doll. Total we need 6 cards. We'll take 3 cards. Okay, let's arrange the cards. Okay, let's flip the cards. Knight of Swords, 6 of Pentacles, 2 of Swords, 8, it is Strength card. The High Priestess and 6 of Swords. Okay, here I can clearly see that you have a lot of swords energy, which is air signs are there. Either you or your person is air sign person, but today we are doing the reading for your person. What is he feeling? So it is your person can be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then your person also might be earth sign, which is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so these are the high maximum people these might have these signs. Okay, and strongly I can also feel the Leo. Because of the Strength card, I can see that your person might be Leo also. Okay, so let's do the reading. So first card shows that Knight of Swords. So Knight of Swords means action. So your person is actually very much missing you and he want to take action, but he's unable to take action due to some problems in his life, in his or her life. You can see this 2 of Swords. This lady is confused and her eyes are blindfolded, but she is defensive. Okay, so this person is want to come towards you. He is actually very much in love with you. He wants to come as soon as possible, as fast as possible to you. But the problem is there is no clarity for him. Maybe he don't know whether maybe he is getting scared, that fear of rejection. Maybe he is feeling that you may not have the same feelings towards him. Okay, this person is feeling confused and like stuck in this position. He is not able to move at all. So he's blindfolded, then confused whether to move ahead or show his feelings towards you. So this person is having very much so many like see, you can see all the pentacles here, six of pentacles. This person is a very generous person. He's like helping others. He's very much helping in nature. This person is also feeling lots of love. He wants to give his love generously to you. Okay, this person is kind hearted and he wants to express his love, and he wants to give you whatever you want, like maybe it is a commitment or engagement, marriage, or anything. This person is ready to do whatever will please you, whatever makes you happy. He wants to give his love generously to you. So this card shows the generosity. Then this is strength card. You can see the infinity symbol here. That means you both are soulmates. Then this strength card shows that you have whatever happened in the past, you are gaining the strength to move towards each other. So you are getting some clarity slowly, because earlier there was confusion, no clarity and all. Then you are slowly gaining the strength to move towards each other. Your person is thinking a lot. I think you are on his mind like 24/7. I can say that person is thinking a lot about you, and he wants to move towards you, and he's gaining the courage and strength, okay, to move towards you. Then this high priestess. So this high priestess also feminine energy. This person is like whether it is a male or a female, he has the they have the feminine energy, and a little bit mysterious. They don't want to reveal themselves completely to anybody. Okay, they want to keep themselves hidden. For some reason, they don't want to express all their feelings to you directly and immediately. Okay, they are waiting. Maybe they are checking the waters, how it is, what it is, whether this opposite person also having same feelings or about me or not. This person is little like hesitant. So he is not at all revealing his feelings towards you, what he is thinking, what he is feeling. So you are also confused, and you are also thinking that whether is he thinking about me, is he missing me. So definitely this person is missing you, and he is waiting for you. He is sitting on his throne, and he is waiting for you, but he is not expressing his feelings as of now. Okay, he is thinking maybe the same thing as I told, fear of rejection. This person is still like being stuck. Okay, but your outcome card is this slowly moving energy. So see, you can see there is a movement here, there is a turbulent water here, this is unpleasant water here. So slowly this person is moving to calmer water. So his thoughts are very much scattered earlier. Okay, but slowly this person is moving ahead towards the calmer waters. Here you can see the water is calm, pleasant, and stable. So this person is moving towards the calmer waters, so that he can get some clarity what to do next. So because he was stuck, and he's constantly thinking about you, but unable to do anything as of now. He is unable to contact you. He is unable to express his feelings till now. But right now he is moving to calmer waters here. So slowly in future he will contact you. He will express his feelings. This kind of like missing each other, this kind of energy will get over soon, friends. And you can see six card. Six card is a love card. Number six is a love card. He loves you a lot. I can say because of this card, I can 100% say that this person loves you a lot. Even the strength card also, Leo card. Your person might be Leo also. So infinite symbol shows that you are soulmates. So definitely this person is missing you, friends. No, there is no doubt. So don't even think about that. So we will see what your person is want to tell you actually. Okay. So we will see the cards, handwritten cards. We will see. BFF. Okay. Then we will see in these messages also we will see. Okay, let's see the messages. First one is BFF. So that means best friends forever. Maybe you are friends and you didn't express your feelings to each other. Maybe you both are studied in the same college, school. We are fine. So this person is telling, don't worry, we both are fine in our connection. Okay, that means don't be scared that I am leaving you. So he is telling that we are fine. We are fine in this connection. And he's also saying that it's not over. Okay, what else you want, friends? He's giving the confirmation that it is not over. We are fine. We are best friends forever. So he's, as of now, he's thinking that you are a best friend. Then, I love you. So very nice, this pile. I'm very happy for this pile. Your person is telling so many things to you. I love you, he said. Then, happy family. Okay, this person is assuring that we will have in future a happy family. Maybe he will give you commitment, he will propose for engagement and marriage. Then you people will have a happy family. Then it is a water sign. He might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces actually, but in our reading there is no water sign. Everyone is like other signs are there. But let's see. Let me know if your person is water sign. Okay. Then that is your reading, friends. Please let me know if it is resonated. If it is resonated, please comment below and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope you are happy with the reading. I am happy. I am happy for you because the cards also came nice and even the messages also came nice. I'm very happy for you, friends. Let's move to the pile number 3. Sorry, pile number 2. So this white doll. So let's see what cards want to say. Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Uriel and Archangel Gabriel, please guide us. Am I on his mind? Am I on his or her mind? Is he or she missing me? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. So already we have 2 cards. Okay, already we have 2 cards. Then 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 cards I have taken. Let's arrange the cards. Okay, let's flip the card. Pile number 2, Death. 8 of Cups. Wow. 4 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands. 6 of Wands. The Tower reversed. Queen of Cups. Very nice, friends. I can see a very good cards here. So Death. The first card we got is Death. Don't get scared of the Death card. So Death card is always about the transformation. So your connection is transforming to the higher level. Like your connection may be not deep enough now. So your connection will be soon transforming to the another level, next level. Okay. Then this one, 8 of Cups. Eight of Cups also. This person is moving away from this connection for some reason, and this person is actually thinking about you obsessively. Then he is thinking about you. This Cups is a love card actually. So this person is thinking about you. Then he is not able to handle this separation. Maybe you both are separated due to quarantine or some fights or disagreements, I don't know, but this person is very much sad, and he is moving away from the Cups. So he is feeling very lonely. Then he is not able to handle this separation. So then let us see. Okay, this person is, you can see in this card that this person is moving away from this connection. Maybe it is for some time he maybe is taking a break, or he wants some clarity regarding this connection. Okay, so and first of all I would like to tell you that this person can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then Wands means it is a fire sign, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then Cups energy is more than fire sign energy is more. Okay, so this card, this Four of Wands card is a celebration. Okay, maybe you will be having a celebration soon. This person will be declaring your connection officially, because this person is moving away from this connection to have the deeper understanding what is happening in this connection. This person is not clear why he is thinking about you obsessively, why he is thinking about you constantly. So this person is not having a clarity. So very soon he might declare this your connection officially. Okay, so this person may be thinking that we will have a celebration soon. Then this is 1111. 1111 means it is the angel number 1111. So this is a soulmate connection and a divine connection. So nobody can break you both. That is that kind of a connection. You can see 11 here, 11 here. So this is 1111 angel number. So this card is about celebration, maybe engagement, marriage. So this person is thinking of that with you. Okay, this person is dreaming about that. Then this person is always thinking about that. Am I on his mind? Absolutely, you are on his mind. And he is not only thinking about the only for love, but he is thinking about commitment also. He is thinking about we will be together forever because of this angel number. Then he is thinking about the marriage and commitment also. Then this Six of Wands. Six is, as I told, six is always a number of love. Okay, this person loves you a lot and he want to come to you. See how he is sitting on a horse and want to come to you with a message. Okay, he wants to message you. Then he wants to come towards you, and he wants to come as soon as possible. Actually, he is thinking a lot. Then this Tower moment, Tower reversed. Tower means everything is collapsed. Your whatever the situation right now, it is upside down. Like that your condition was. Your so many doubts, fears, anxiety, depression. So many things are there. Tower moment means it's a very not a good card in tarot. But this is upside down. That means things are getting better. Maybe earlier you had Tower moment. Maybe earlier you both broke up. Then earlier you don't know why this person broke up with you and what happened exactly. The things happened so quickly that you don't know why and how things happened and why we are separated. You are astonished actually. So this Tower moment is reversed now. That means things are getting better now. Now things, whatever Tower moment happening, you are slowly healing from this Tower moment and slowly coming out of that. Then see, finally outcome is how beautiful outcome you got. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups means it is love. You are waiting with the cup of love for your soulmate. Then this person is thinking about the celebration with you. Okay, these two cards are very, very positive cards, friends. This person is not only in love with you, but he wants to live with you forever. Okay, then he is thinking about the commitment, marriage and celebrations. Okay, don't worry friends, He is missing you a lot. He is thinking about you. Then he wants to come to you. So everything is positive. Let's see what he want to tell you. What your person wants to tell you. So think of your person. Think about him in your mind. Visualize his how he looks. Okay, let me see. Okay, 3 cards we got. Then let's see this also. And 3. Let's see what cards this. Oh, see, I did not do anything. This card came out. I'm coming. So your person is saying he's coming. I'm coming, he's telling. I did not take this card, but it came out on its own. Okay. Then, you make me happy. So this person thinks that you make him happy. Then he's thinking about all the good memories you both had together. Candlelight dinner. So this person is planning a candlelight dinner. This is more than a love, friends. Actually, he's thinking, he's dreaming future with you. Actually, so he's living in the future. He's reminiscing all the memories that you had together, the happy moments you had together. See, I miss you. So he's missing you. He wants to have candlelight dinner with you. He's telling that you make me happy, and he's also telling that I'm coming. So that means he's coming towards you. So he may be water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, what can I say, friends? Twice it said, I miss you, I miss you. That means your person is missing you a lot. You are on his mind constantly. Believe me. I love you. So what else you want, friends? Whatever you want, everything is here. I did not do anything, only cards said. So you be happy. Definitely your person will be coming towards you. He's missing you. He's not able to be away from you. Definitely he is coming towards you. Very happy, friends. Very happy reading. Okay. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Also comment whether it is resonated, whether the signs are resonated, whether your person is there like that, like earlier you had any incidents like that. So please comment, friends. Okay, let's go to all the best. By the way, let's go to pile number 3, the beautiful doll. Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, please guide us, give us some clarity. Am I on his mind? Am I on his or her mind? Is he or she missing me? Please give us some clarity in this dark situation, in this dark energy. Please, please help us, guide us. Please give us some clarity. Thank you. So we'll take 6 cards. This card came 4, 5 and 6. Let's arrange the cards. Okay, 2 of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, wonderful. Page of Pentacles, nice. 9 of Swords, 5 of Cups, then Six of Cups. Okay, all are beautiful cards, friends. So for me, it looks like your person is strongly water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And because four cards are showing the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, very less amount of people will have air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and also very less percentage of people will have your person as earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, let's see all the beautiful cards what they are saying. Okay, this person, Two of Pentacles. This person is juggling actually. So this person is juggling with maybe with other relationships or with finances, his career, his family, anything. It could be anything. This person is like juggling with two things. So right now, as of now, he's thinking about you, but the most majority he's struggling with finances. So maybe he want to get stable in his career. He want to be stable in his job and finances. So this person is thinking mostly about the finances. The Pentacles shows the finance matters. So this person is strongly thinking about the Pentacles now. This finances. But Ace of Cups. So your person is having lot of love for you. It is overflowing from the cup. You can see that. Okay, it is divinely guided. Ace of Cups means it is new beginnings, new starts are going to happen in your love life. Okay, this person is missing you and he loves you a lot. This cup overflowing with love and new beginnings actually. This Ace of Cups means it is new beginnings around the horizon. So you both might be having some new beginnings in your connection. Maybe you are making future plans or moving together into same place, together into some city or somewhere you will be married or living a relationship together. So this is all about new beginnings. Then this Page of Pentacles. This person is holding the coin in his hand, the pentacle in his hand, and he is thinking to contact you. Page of Pentacles means a young and charming person. This person is willing to offer you his pentacles and he wants to give you a good life. That is why he's like struggling with the juggling with the finances. This person wants to be stable in his life and want to give you a happy life, happy like commitment. So this person want to contact you. Pages means actually it is a card of communication. This person want to contact you soon and he want to express his love towards you. See this love. So this person wants to express his love and he wants to communicate, to make the future plans, to be together. How this person is feeling as right now? He is feeling defeated. You can see this person, how the person is crying, Nine of Swords. This person is feeling so lonely. He is feeling that I don't have anybody because without you, he is feeling that he continuously you are on his mind, his or her mind, because he is not able to sleep. You can see that person is waking up from the bed and covering her face with the hands. So this person is definitely is not able to sleep. He is thinking what to do, how can I proceed ahead with this connection, how can I make things right. Maybe earlier you had some problems in your love life and he wants to make things right. He is not able to sleep also. He is very much tired, dark energy. You can see this dark energy here behind. So this person is feeling very sad, painful, lonely. So this person want to come out of this. He wants to make things right between you, your connection. He wants to make things right. Then even this person also, Five of Cups. This person is very lonely, even though he is having other people are giving his lot of love, maybe his mother, father, others, friends and all, but he is turning away, moving away and turning towards the other side. He is thinking about you, he is missing you. He's like, definitely he is missing you a lot. Am I on his mind, his or her mind? Definitely you are on his mind. You can see clearly how much painful situation, condition he is having. So he is not able to be without you. Okay, see the outcome. beautiful 6. Number 6 is always a happy love card, and I got the 6 in all the 3 piles. All the three readings have the 6. Okay, 6 meaning it is a love card, and a lot of love. You both are sharing love together, each other. Then you will have a family time. This shows that you will be coming together and making a family, happy family. 6 card is love and family. Even in this picture also you can see clearly that both of them are sharing the cup of love. So maybe it is a girl-girl relationship or boy-boy relationship. No offense, friends. Now anything can happen. Okay, but this love is coming to fruition. You can see the flowers behind in the cups. So this your connection is coming to fruition. It is coming into real time. It is not in your head. It is coming into reality. Till now you both were missing each other. You don't know what to do, but the things are coming into reality, and your connection will be into fruition. Okay, all the best, friends. Very nice reading. I'm happy for you. So let us see the cards. What your person want to say? My God, so many already. So many cards fell down. Let us see these cards also. So it looks like your person want to communicate so much with the Page of Pentacles, and these cards flew away. So this person want to say so much. He wants to communicate. Maybe you both are missing each other, and you had no conversation, no contact. Okay. Okay, we got all the cards. So we are made for each other. Your person feels like that. You both are made for each other. So he's thinking that this connection is divine connection. LDR, long distance relationship. It might be a different country, different city. Okay. Then this your person London. So your person may be in London, or you both want to settle in London. You want to try job over there. So I don't know, whatever your situation, please comment me below if it is resonated. So London is coming very strong. See what I told you. Can't sleep in your thoughts. This person is not able to sleep without you, and thinking about you, he is not able to sleep. Okay, it's not over. Your person is telling, don't worry, it is not over between us. I'm doing something. I'm working on the things, and I want to make things right between you and me. So he's telling it's not over. We are fine. He's telling in our relationship we are fine. No need to worry. Don't keep any doubts, and keep trust. Okay, trust me. Then he's telling, you know me better than anyone else. So he's thinking that you understand him very well. You know him better than anyone else. Then water sign. So as I told you, even in our reading also there are 4 cups cards. That means Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Please comment, friends, if it is resonating. He's also telling, I'm coming. He's telling, I'm coming. Don't worry, I will make things right for you. So maybe he's in London, long distance relationship. So he's saying that I'm coming because of the quarantine lockdown. He may be stuck over there. He's telling that I will come. Okay, please be happy, friends. It's very nice. Your reading is very nice. Please let me know if it is resonated. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Definitely your person is coming, and I'm very happy for your reading. All the best. Okay, thank you, friends. Bye for now. Please give me reading ideas in the comment box, as Miss Rajini did. Okay, thank you, friends. Bye for now. Bye.